In today's digital age, our lives are intricately intertwined with technology. From online banking to social media, we rely on computer systems and networks for countless aspects of our daily routines. But this reliance comes with a vulnerability: the ever-present threat of cyber attacks. This is where ethical hacking emerges as a crucial line of defense. Ethical hacking, also known as white hat hacking, involves employing the same techniques and tools used by malicious hackers, but with a critical difference. Ethical hackers operate with permission and within legal boundaries. They act as cybersecurity experts, proactively identifying and mitigating vulnerabilities in systems and networks before they can be exploited by malicious actors. Imagine a security guard patrolling a building, checking for unlocked doors and windows. Ethical hackers play a similar role in the digital realm, meticulously examining systems for weaknesses and recommending solutions to strengthen security. Their work is essential in safeguarding sensitive data, protecting user privacy, and ensuring the integrity of digital infrastructure. The line between ethical hacking and malicious hacking is crystal clear: intent and authorization. While both types of hackers possess technical skills to identify and exploit vulnerabilities, their motivations and actions differ drastically. Ethical hackers, driven by a strong ethical compass, use their knowledge to enhance security. They obtain explicit permission from system owners before conducting any assessments. Their findings are meticulously documented and reported, enabling organizations to address vulnerabilities proactively. Malicious hackers, on the other hand, operate with malicious intent. They exploit vulnerabilities for personal gain, often seeking financial profit, revenge, or simply the thrill of disruption. Their actions are illegal and can have severe consequences, including data breaches, financial losses, and reputational damage. Think of it this way. An ethical hacker is like a locksmith who helps you improve the security of your home, while a malicious hacker is like a burglar who breaks in to steal your valuables. The tools and techniques might be similar, but the intentions are worlds apart. Ethical hackers play a crucial role in today's interconnected world, acting as guardians of the digital realm. They are the cybersecurity professionals who proactively identify and help mitigate vulnerabilities in computer systems, networks, and applications. Their work is essential for ensuring the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of sensitive data and systems. One of the primary responsibilities of an ethical hacker is to conduct thorough security assessments. This involves simulating real-world attack scenarios to identify weaknesses in systems and networks. By thinking like a malicious hacker, ethical hackers can anticipate potential attack vectors and recommend appropriate security controls. Ethical hackers also play a vital role in incident response. In the unfortunate event of a security breach, they can assist organizations in investigating the incident, containing the damage, and recovering lost or compromised data. Their expertise in forensics and incident handling is invaluable in minimizing the impact of cyber attacks. Ethical hacking encompasses a range of methodologies and techniques, each designed to assess and improve security from different angles. Let's delve into some key concepts. Penetration testing. This involves simulating real-world attacks to identify vulnerabilities in systems and networks. Think of it as an authorized, controlled cyber attack to uncover weaknesses before malicious actors can exploit them. Red teaming. This goes beyond technical assessments, simulating real-world adversaries to test an organization's defenses holistically. Red teams employ various tactics, including social engineering and physical intrusion attempts, to provide a comprehensive view of security posture. Intrusion testing. This focuses on testing an organization's ability to detect, respond to, and recover from a cyber attack. It helps organizations evaluate the effectiveness of their security monitoring, incident response plans, and disaster recovery procedures. These methodologies are often used in conjunction to provide a comprehensive assessment of an organization's security posture. Section 5. Common hacking techniques. A glimpse into the toolkit. Ethical hackers utilize a variety of techniques to identify vulnerabilities, mimicking the tactics employed by malicious actors. Here are a few examples. Spoofing. This involves disguising oneself as a trusted entity to gain unauthorized access to systems or information. For instance, an attacker might spoof an email address to trick someone into revealing sensitive information. Denial of service, or DOS. This disrupts services by overwhelming systems with traffic, rendering them unavailable to legitimate users. Imagine a website crashing because it's flooded with too many requests. Port scanning. This involves scanning a system or network for open ports which can be used to gain unauthorized access. Think of it as checking for unlocked doors or windows in a building. These are just a few examples of the many techniques employed by ethical hackers. By understanding how these techniques work, organizations can better defend against them. Section 6. The legal and ethical landscape, navigating the gray areas. Ethical hacking, while crucial for cybersecurity, operates in a legally and ethically complex landscape. It's essential for ethical hackers to have a thorough understanding of the legal boundaries and ethical considerations surrounding their work. One of the most critical aspects is obtaining proper authorization before conducting any security assessments. Ethical hackers must have explicit permission from system owners to probe their systems, outlining the scope of the engagement and the rules of engagement. Data privacy is another crucial consideration. Ethical hackers often handle sensitive information during their assessments, and they must adhere to strict data privacy regulations, such as the General Data Protection Regulation or GDPR, and the California Consumer Privacy Act, also known as CCPA. Ethical hackers are bound by a code of ethics that emphasizes professionalism, integrity, and responsibility. They must always act in the best interests of their clients, ensuring that their actions are legal, ethical, and aligned with industry best practices. Section 7. The importance of ethical hacking, securing our digital future. In an increasingly interconnected world, ethical hacking is more critical than ever. As our reliance on technology grows, so too does the sophistication and frequency of cyber attacks. Ethical hackers serve as a vital line of defense, proactively identifying and mitigating vulnerabilities before they can be exploited by malicious actors. The consequences of cyber attacks can be devastating, resulting in financial losses, data breaches, reputational damage, and even threats to national security. Ethical hacking helps organizations mitigate these risks by strengthening their security posture and reducing their vulnerability to attacks. Moreover, ethical hacking plays a crucial role in fostering trust and confidence in the digital ecosystem. By ensuring that systems and networks are secure, ethical hackers contribute to a safer and more reliable online experience for individuals and organizations alike. Section 8. Career paths in ethical hacking, exploring the opportunities. The field of ethical hacking offers a wide range of career paths for individuals passionate about cybersecurity. With the ever-growing demand for skilled professionals, there's no shortage of opportunities for aspiring ethical hackers. Penetration tester conducts authorized simulated attacks to identify vulnerabilities in systems and networks. Security analyst monitors systems and networks for security incidents, analyzes security logs, and investigates security breaches. Security consultant provides expert advice to organizations on improving their security posture, developing security policies, and implementing security controls. Ethical hacking instructor trains and educates individuals and organizations on ethical hacking methodologies, techniques, and best practices. These are just a few examples of the many career paths available in the exciting and ever-evolving field of ethical hacking. Section 9. Conclusion. Embracing ethical hacking for a safer tomorrow. Ethical hacking is not just a profession, it's a necessity in today's digitally driven world. As technology continues to advance at an unprecedented pace, so too will the sophistication and prevalence of cyber threats. Ethical hackers, with their unique skill set and unwavering commitment to cybersecurity, will play an increasingly vital role in safeguarding our digital future. By embracing ethical hacking, organizations can proactively identify and mitigate vulnerabilities, strengthen their security posture, and protect themselves from the potentially devastating consequences of cyber attacks. Moreover, ethical hacking fosters trust and confidence in the digital ecosystem, ensuring a safer and more secure online experience for everyone. As we navigate the complexities of the digital age, ethical hacking stands as a beacon of hope, a testament to the power of human ingenuity and the unwavering pursuit of a safer and more secure tomorrow.